Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to have a look at this new RAG tool for scientific papers called as PaperQA. PaperQA now has a new version which they are calling PaperQA 2. It is engineered to be the best RAG model for working with scientific papers at the moment as per their GitHub repo. There are few cool features around it that, for example, it provides a simple interface to get good answers with grounded responses containing in-text citations. Plus, it also has got state-of-the-art implementation, including document metadata awareness in embeddings and LLM-based re-ranking and contextual summarization. Plus, it also has got support for agentic RAG, where a language agent can iteratively refine queries and answers. It also gives you automatic redundant fetching of paper metadata, including citations and journal quality data from multiple providers. It also has a usable full text search engine for a local repo of PDF or text files. It also has a robust interface for customization, and it also provide support for the open source model. So we are going to get it installed with Ollama. It also works with the LiteLLM. If you don't know what Ollama and LiteLLM are, please search my channel. You should be able to find it there. Before I show you the installation and go through it, let me give a huge thanks to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount for range of GPUs, and you can find it in the video's description too. Now, coming back to this paper QA, the way it works is quite interesting. First step, it does the paper search where it gets candidate papers from LLM generated keyword query. Then it chunks it, embed and add candidate papers to state. Then it embed query into vector, and then it ranks top K document chunks in current state. And then it creates scored summary of each chunk in the context of current query. And then it uses LLM to rescore and select most relevant summaries. Finally, it put best summaries into prompt with context, and then it generates answers with the prompt. Okay, so enough talk. Let me take you to my terminal and we will start getting it installed. Okay, so you can see that this is my Ubuntu system and I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I already have Ollama installed, and if I show you, this is my model. So you would need two models for it. One would be the embedding model and the other one would be the LLM. So for embedding model, I am using Nomic embed text. For local LLM, I am using Llama 3.1 latest. If you don't have them, simply do Ollama pull Llama 3.1 and it is going to download it. And same for the Nomic embed text model. And if you don't know what Ollama is, how to install it, as I said, please search my channel. I already have done heaps of videos around it. Ollama is one of the easiest tool to get installed and running on your local system. So let me clear the screen here. Let me first quickly create a virtual environment with Coda so that everything would be separate. Let's wait for it to get installed. And my Conda environment is created. Next up, let's install all the prerequisites. The torch, transformer, accelerate are just the usual ones, but you see at the last line I am installing paper-QA and OpenAI. OpenAI I'm installing because it uses OpenAI's compatible ABI, so that is why. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, everything is installed. Let me clear the screen. So everything is installed now. Let me now show you the code through which you can access the Ollama. So I'm just opening it in VS Code. So this is my VS Code, and this is a simple function which you need to write. So we already have installed PaperQA. We are importing settings and ask. This is where you define the local LLM configuration. So this is the model I have. Provider is Ollama, or you could simply use just Llama 3.1 if you like, because we are just using LiteLLM here. It also installed that and it is compatible with LiteLLM. That is why we are using it. And then from there, simply use this Ollama's API base, because this is where Ollama is running at default 11434. And from there, you can just ask any question from your document. For the document, I'll change this question here. But before that, you see that we are also giving it a bit more information around LLM and LLM config. And this is the LLM config we have defined here. So still I would say pretty rudimentary. They really badly need to improve the local LLM integration. Plus they also really need to improve their documentation in GitHub. That is terrible to say the least. If you go through their GitHub repo, it is just you would start pulling your hair. I have spent hours and hours to get this working, just because it is terrible. And they, to add insult to the injury, they have some sort of bot working on the GitHub repo. You ask something, the bot just comes up with some really stupid answers anyway. So that was just my range because I spent hours and hours on it. Anyway, so this is how you configure the Ollama. For the paper, let me quickly show you the paper which I'm using. Let me open it. So I just went to the archive.org and I just grabbed this paper which was just released 13 September 2024 around some Simba cosmological simulation. So this is the one which I will be using here. Okay, so I'm just going to go, and this is in the same directory where I have this test.py, as you can see here. Okay, so now let's try to run this to see what it does here. And for the sample question, maybe I'll just go with pick up this random alpha galaxy. I'll just ask it what exactly that is. So maybe I'll just copy paste from here, go back here, and then I'll ask it, I'll convert it. And what is alpha galaxy? Let's ask it. Okay, let's go back to terminal. And I'm going to run this test.py here. And there you go, there is our answer here. Now if you see, it has started the paper search, it has counted one paper, and then it has gone into it and it has grabbed the answer from it, and then it has also given us some of the relevant score within it. And overall it is saying that, just telling us overall, while the context provides some insight, it remains unclear what specifically defines them from the paper, because they have just used it, they haven't really defined it, so which is quite good. So look, speed is good, everything is good, but I believe one thing they really need to improve is their documentation so that people won't suffer. But anyway, you now know how to use it with Ollama, and which primarily is being given through a LiteLLM. So given the speed of it, given everything that it also does, the indexing, searches and everything, that is quite cool. And of course you can add more documents to your index, or you can even view the index, and there are a lot of things which you can do. So this was through code. You can even use their CLI command, which simply use the same setting and gives you the same performance. So that's it guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this PaperQA. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.